Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a VAN79 error on Valorant. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, make sure that Riot client or Riot Vanguard is not running right here in the background. If you'll be able to spot one, well, just go ahead and click on exit. Yes. Okay. Same goes to Riot client. Okay. Riot client exit. Now, once that's done, go ahead and go to your search bar and type down services. Okay. Click on services right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and find the service called VGC. Type down V, here we have VGC. So double click on it. Now start up type right here, click on the drop down, click on automatic. Now hit on apply, wait for it, now go ahead and hit on start. Wait for the process to finish, and once that's done, just click on OK. If you get an error, okay, just restart your computer and do the same thing. Now once that's done, go ahead and check if it helps. If that won't work, well, go ahead and go to your search bar right here, type down firewall. Okay, click on firewall and network protection, just like so. Now click on allow an app through firewall. All right, click on change settings right here at the top. Now go ahead and tap on allow another app. Now if you will be able to see Valorant right here, let's go and find it. As you can see, we don't have Valorant, so just go ahead and tap on allow another app. Click on browse. Now go to local disk C, Riot Games, Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64, Valorant Win Shipping. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and double click on each folder right here. Okay, once that's on, highlight Valorant Win Shipping 64, hit on open, add. Once it's added, make sure that both private and public are ticked, hit on OK, close this one. Now go ahead and go to your search bar once more, type down a network reset. Alright, so click on it. Now just click on reset now. After that, launch Valorant. It should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.